If you created a PowerPoint presentation and you're putting together another one, you might find you want to take slides from one presentation and put them into another. You're not actually moving them from one presentation to another, but you're putting a copy of that particular slide into an existing presentation. It can also be a brand new presentation that you're building and you're pulling elements from other presentations into one. Let's have a look at how we do it. So first of all, I've got the presentation that I want to put the old slides into, and I want to reuse these old slides. So I click on New Slide, and down the bottom we have an option Reuse Slides. It opens a pane on the right hand side, giving us some options of recently used, or we can actually browse for a particular presentation that you're looking for. I've got one here that I'm just going to click on, and it brings it up for us, which is a similar presentation, but what I want to do is this What's Next page is slightly different, so I'm going to choose to bring this one in. So by simply clicking on it, it drops it in wherever my cursor was displayed, and what I'm going to do here is drag that down to the bottom because I want it as the last slide, and I'll click on this one. Now if I wanted to get rid of it, I could, or I could simply right click and hide. So the beauty of this feature is it enables you to take multiple slide decks and reuse or repurpose existing slides to make new slide decks, saving you time and fast tracking your PowerPoint presentation creation.